Hi everyone, this is Ryan Monday with MundayBrothers. I wanted to make a training video for you all on how to create a landing page, also known as a squeeze page. Being a part of Big Idea Mastermind and being on my team, a bonus to you is you have access to free software to create those customized landing pages. So I'm here in the back office of Big Idea Mastermind. We'll go ahead and go down here to the software suite. And then we have Easy Landing Page Pro version 1 and version 2. The difference between the two is you can customize the version 2 a little more than the previous version. We'll click there and we'll go to create new, and now we need to connect. So you need to enter a domain name. I've already purchased one, so I'll enter that information now. And then you need a folder name. So you really only need one domain name, and then you can create several different landing pages with that one domain name. I'm going to go ahead and put massive, and then the FTP server. And then you need a FTP username, and you'll get that information from your hosting company, which I personally use HostGator. Then your password, grab that real quick. Click connect, and we are connected. So now we can start the landing page making process. So we want to include a tab so they can enter their information. So I'll go down to, I typically use this one here. Don't have a logo, so then you can choose the background settings. They already have some preloaded backdrops that you can use, but one of the advantages of the version 2 is you can actually upload your own picture. So since mine is for generating traffic, that landing page, I'm going to upload a custom picture. Got one in mind already, got that. Wait for that to load. Alright. And then want to get that centered there. And then you always can preview it, make sure it fits to the screen the way you like it. Looks pretty good. I decided to choose a car. Next, you enter your headline. Let's enter something to do with traffic. So how about learn top secret strategies to generate thousands of leads per day. That's pretty good for that. And then as you see, you have options to change the color, the font. I'll make my font size a little bigger here. Go to 29. And then you could enter your sub headline, but let's first preview that. There we go. Looks like we need to move the box up just a little bit. You can go ahead and choose the page position on that. That's a little better. Let's go back down to the headline and settings, and then we can put in your sub headline. Let's go ahead and put something such as enter your email below and the video will be sent to you. Alright, go ahead and center that. One thing I like to do is that once I enter something new, I always like to preview before moving on to the next box here. Learn top secret strategy to generate thousands of leads per day. Alright, that looks good. So next we'll move on to the button and settings. So you want to have a button text which goes right here. So we'll put, you can put get instant access, and you really can put anything. So I'll just put send me info. Center that as well. Let's preview that. Looks good. Alright, opt-in code. So this text fields, this is where your email is. There's two boxes here. If you decide to go with a different style of box, then you obviously have the name section, but we're just going to go with the email. So we'll put enter your best email here. Alright, we'll go ahead and center that one as well. Let's preview that. Alright, everything looks good. And now we have you need the opt-in code and settings. So as you can see here, your autoresponder provider, you have choice between the two. You have GetResponse and Aweber. I personally have GetResponse, so we'll paste that code in here. So let's go up to GetResponse, and we actually need to create a new campaign. So I'll briefly go through that so you can learn that as well. So we go to create campaign, and now you need a name for that. As you see, I have a few here, so let's go with see if that's available. That is not available. Let's go internet traffic 002. Not as well, so let's go 155. I'm not having good luck with this. Try one more. A lot of people have chosen all these names here. Let's go with lead generator. Alright, after several tries we finally found one that had not already been taken. So next you'll go to Edit Campaign Settings, and you'll click here for notifications. You don't want to know every time someone opts into your page, so you'll definitely get a lot of emails on that. So we'll click that to off. We'll go down to Profile. That looks good. Then Permission. And you want to uncheck these boxes here. You don't want them to have to double opt in. And you want to make sure from field, so we have Jason and Ryan Monday. So that's info@MundayBrothers.com. We got that all taken care of. Next thing we need to do is go to web form and create a new one. So we'll uncheck all these. All we're looking for is the email and sign up. So we'll take all these boxes off. Next step. And you want to give it a name so you know what it is. So I typically always just put the campaign name as for the same thing as the web form. So lead generator traffic. And then you want a thank you page. You can really put anything in there that you want, whether it be a custom one of you or where you want to send them to. I'm personally going to go with the video series for internet traffic formula. So once someone opts in, they'll then be directed to whatever address you put here. Alright, so now we finally got to the step where the code that we're looking for to enter back on the Easy Landing Page Pro web page there. So you want to uncheck CSS style, so you want that to be off. Then you want to copy everything here, make sure you get it all. We'll copy that, then we'll head back to Easy Landing Page Pro. You want to paste that into here. Alright, got that all taken care of. Next one is footers and settings, and you really have, you can customize this however you want. I always go ahead and put the privacy policy, earning disclaimer, terms and conditions. So I have all that already saved on another file, so I'll go ahead and pull that up and just paste that in there. Alright, let me copy this here. Paste that. Then we have the earning disclaimer. And lastly, the terms and conditions, terms of use. I always like to be obviously more compliant than taking any risks. Copy, paste. Alright, we got all that. And then here you can also enter a tracking code if you'd like. Alright, next one is like buttons and settings. So you have the option of choosing, if you want to put the like button so people can like it on Facebook, share it, that type of thing. I typically leave those out. Next one is the exit pop-up opt-in. So this is if someone were to exit out before entering the information, you can have something pop up. Personally, I don't do that with these, but you're obviously more than welcome to. And then it's redirected. So here the thank you page. Right now, when we are up in get response, I just had my thank you page go straight to the internet traffic formula pages that Vic has, those videos. But on my other landing pages, I always have a video. So here you would click this, and then you would put in your video's information. So once someone opts in to the landing page here, they're then sent to a personalized video that my brother Jason and I have created. But for time purposes, just going to leave that blank. And the next thing is you want to save it, and then you can create any unique folder name. So let's just go ITF 2. We will save that. Alright, everything's saved. So we'll go to my pages now. And then here is a couple other landing pages that we have. One thing I like to do is check, make sure everything works correctly. So we'll go ahead and click on that link here. And there you have it. We have our opt-in box with the car, because I'm doing traffic generation. I think everything looks pretty good. So as you can see, with this Easy Landing Page Pro, you definitely have a lot of options that you can do. All these options here, and once again, that's just another bonus of joining with the Monday Brothers along with Big Idea Mastermind. I hope everyone found this video to be valuable, and hope it helps you in creating your landing pages. Talk to you soon.